In this lesson, you will add spot dimensions to the sloped roof of the structure and the footings on the entrance. The dimensions will display the height from ground level. Click the menu browser and select Open. And in the Open dialog, from the Training Files Imperial folder, open the file rstdoc02 spot dimensions. In the project browser, under Structural Plans, double-click Roof, and let's add spot dimensions to the tapered roof. Zoom in to the slope slab on the northeast corner of the structure. Then, on the Annotate tab from the Dimension panel, click Spot Elevation. Then, on the Element panel, notice that the current type is called Spot Elevations, no symbol, relative, and on the Options bar, the Leader option is checked, and for Relative Base, Current Level is active. Move your cursor along the edge of the tapered roof, and as you move it to the center, you notice the value displays the spot elevation. Click the center of the tapered insulation to create the first leader point. Then, move the cursor to the right and up and click to create the second leader point. And then move the cursor to the left and click to place the spot dimension. Then, click Modify. And let's add a spot dimension to the entrance footing. Open the View 01 entry level. Zoom in to the footings of the entryway. Then, on the Dimension panel, click Spot Elevation. And on the Options bar, make sure Leader is active. And for Relative Base, make sure Current Level is selected. And for Display Elevations, select Top and Bottom Elevations. Then, to place the spot elevation, pick the upper right corner of a footing. Then, move the cursor up and to the right and click to create the second leader point. Then, move the cursor to the right and click to create the third leader point. Then, click Modify. Then, select the spot dimension and modify it as necessary. Let's change the spot dimension properties. With the spot dimension selected, click the Element Properties drop-down and select Instance Properties. In the Instance Properties dialog, under Text, for single or upper value prefix, type TOF is equal to, and click OK. Now, let's change the text orientation. With the spot dimension selected, from the Element Properties drop-down, select Type Properties, and in the Type Properties dialog, under Text, select Bold, and for text location, select Inline with Leader, and click OK. Then, click and drag the Dimension Text control to a better location, and close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.